Hey y'all, Wacky Weatherman. Woo, happy Sunday. Groovy. Hey man, what's happening with y'all? It is the 15th, and I'm actually using the Note 10 Plus. Yep, I'm using the Note 10 Plus today, and it's actually kind of really miss using this phone. I mean, it's just got beautiful colors, pretty colors and everything. It'll be real interesting to see how that compares with the iPhone 13, because this phone's actually almost a couple years old now. So anyhow, well, it's a couple years old. But anyway, so there it is. Here's what it looks like right now. We're supposed to have some storms coming here. Let me get over here shade. But today we're supposed to have some storms eventually later on this evening. And so we'll come back here in a little bit. But if you see, there's Mr. Sun right there. Everything's pretty. It's a calm Sunday morning, y'all. Yep, Wacky Weatherman. Your old buddy Gerald. But yep, it's just not doing anything right now. Like I said, this is just a little prelude into this. We'll come back here in a little while, and we'll just keep an eye out to the weather. We're fixing to start our 100 days of summer, so that means each day we'll be counting down. The first day of summer. We're just going to see how many days. We'll start at June 1st. Okay, so June 1st will be the first day, officially first day of Wacky Weatherman summer. Okay, that's new this year. So July, then August, September, October we should be done. But we're just going to see. We're going to call it the 100 days of Wacky Weatherman. 100 days of summer. We don't have 90 days. We have 100 days. I would have started at May, but didn't get that way. But we'll start on June 1st, 2022. We'll start on June 1st, 2022. So, but anyway, y'all, Wacky Weatherman, I want to just thank y'all for hanging out here with us this morning. I'm going to go in there, and we'll turn it back on here in a couple of hours. We'll keep an eye out to the weather. We'll just see what happens. But this right here, I mean, we'll come back here in, like I said, in a couple of hours, and we'll just see what happens. But I just want to thank y'all for letting me be part of your lives, part of your day, and that's a groovy thing. No clouds yet. Nope, it is clear as a bell. Well, there's a little bitty cloud right there, a little bitty cloud. But you know, a little bitty cloud can turn into a great big old huge thing, actually. So, the wind is beautiful. Wind is nice, pretty. Like I said, I'm glad to have the Note 10 Plus going again. Big old 6.8-inch screen. Oh man. But like I said, that iPhone 13 is it's incredible too. Trying to see if I see. Yeah, see, there's the cloud right there. I'll zoom in much closer. This right here has a much better. See, I can zoom in a whole lot closer than I can with that iPhone 13. There's the cloud right there. Yep, you can see him right there. Actually getting a couple little stragglers in there, a couple little clouds in there. So, little bitty bullcrap clouds, just regular happy clouds. Let's see if there's any clouds over here. Nope, don't see any over here. But you never know. There's the trees, everything. Like I said, man, it's just, it just zooms out, just incredible. But, anyway, y'all, Wacky Weatherman here. I'll see y'all in the next one. Turn it back on here in a couple of hours, and we'll just go from there. So, May 15th. There's that. It's like May 15th. Nope, no clouds. Well, if I can stand, y'all, if I can stand up. Anyway, you guys, y'all be groovy. Wacky Weatherman in the hole. Like I said, we'll turn it back on here in a couple of hours, here in a little bit, and we'll just keep doing this development for the storm. We'll just see what happens. So we'll come back here in a couple of hours. All right, y'all. Alrighty, folks. We all be groovy. Wacky Weatherman, and I'll see you guys then. All right, you guys be groovy. May 15th, 2022. Let's see what happens today. We'll start out on a sunny morning, and we'll just see what happens throughout the day. All right, y'all. Wacky Weatherman. Hey, y'all. Wacky Weatherman. All right, so it is in the 12 p.m. hour time. We'll see what it looks like. Yeah, there's a couple of clouds. There's a few clouds right up in there. Y'all be able to see. Yep, right there. Y'all can see them. I mean, they're really fine clouds, but you can see them. Few, but it's still they actually have shade right here. It's actually pretty it's still pretty very clear outside, but as of right now it's not doing anything yet, so we just got to keep an eye out to the weather. Keep an eye out what you see. So we'll just keep it glued. Just keep it on the dial to do. Okay? Keep it on the dial. Yep. So it's really almost too warm out here, but no, it's still pretty clear. Well, I mean, real good. We haven't seen anything yet. Oh yeah, we'll go in there and check out the weather, and we'll just see what it is, and we'll come back out here in a couple of hours, and we'll just continue. There's Mr. Sun right there. So, nope. All right, but that's it. I tell you what, it feels good getting this thing again, finding it. It wasn't lost. It just I misplaced it. So, yep. I have to have a shade over here. Yeah, there we go. Got a nice shade over here, y'all. Till now, until about right there. Then I won't be coming out here. We'll actually go out front then. So, we'll go out the front. But, anyway, y'all, Wacky Weatherman, May 15th, 2022. It's not doing anything yet. Yeah, there's a nice little cloud right there for you. I can see it. Yeah, there it is. There it is. So, nope. Nothing yet. So, who knows, this may be something. Then again, it might be nothing. So, we don't know. So, no, not even over there. But we'll give it a couple of hours here, and we'll just see what happens. We'll come back here in about the 2 o'clock-ish hour, and we'll just see. So, like I said, May 15th, 2022, Wacky Weatherman. Of course, that's me. So, nothing to show right now, y'all, but we'll give it a couple of hours, and we'll see what happens, all right? Unless we see something sooner. So, that is it, y'all. Hey, y'all. Wacky Weatherman. It's been a good hour. It's about 1:30-ish, almost. But if you can see, we're getting some quite a bit more clouds out here now. Let me finish get my things on. There we go. Okay. We'll go down there and look. We'll go down there and look. I'm actually making me an egg omelet in the microwave. And cooking sausage in the microwave too. That actually is much better, because then you don't have to dirty up any skillets to make an egg omelet. Just get you a bowl, you know, like a serving, like a coffee bowl, like a soup bowl. Put that in the microwave. Put you some eggs in there. Cook your sausage. Put that in a saucer. Shoot. So, 2 minutes to cook sausage, and it's frozen sausage too. It's so, yep. Cook your sausage in the microwave, y'all. But right now, there we go. Got a thin veneer of clouds, and there's still a little bit of clear sky over there, but you're starting to get a little thin thing of clouds over here. So anyway, I'm gonna go in there and eat, but I will see you guys in the next one. Give it about another hour or so, and we'll just see what happens. We're almost getting close to this thing. But anyway, let's take a look down back in there and see what it looks like. Nope, nothing yet. All right, y'all. Wacky Weatherman. Mr. Sun, he's gonna be getting covered up here soon. But anyway, I'll see y'all here in the next about an hour. So y'all be groovy, Wacky Weatherman, and I'm gonna go eat. So what does it look like over here? And we'll go out, and then we'll go out to the other. We'll go out front. So, all right, y'all. Wacky Weatherman. That's it. So, I'll see y'all here in about an hour. All right. So, it's about 1:27-ish, somewhere in there. And so we'll just see what happens. All right, y'all. Y'all be groovy. May 15th, 2022. We'll turn it back on here in a little bit. All right, y'all. Wacky Weatherman. It's about after the 2:30-ish p.m. hour. And so it is. We got a severe thunderstorm watch in effect. Oh, come on, door. Till about 8:30. So yeah, you can see getting some heavier clouds. It's something how it started out this morning, isn't it? Nice and pretty. Like I said, you're getting some clouds. So not doing anything right now, but we'll go over there. We'll go out. We'll go over here and look. But yeah, we got a severe thunderstorm watch in effect until 8. So we'll just see. But hey, man, is not doing anything right now. So as we keep watching here, as we keep watching for this to take place, watch for this to take place. Man, looks like Mr. Sun is getting, yeah, Mr. Sun's about almost covered. He's almost smothered and covered up over there. But this is it. We'll just see what happens. Like I said, we start on a morning, bright and sunny and pretty blue. Now it's getting cloudier and cloudier. So, we'll turn this, we'll give it about another hour, and we'll just see what happens. We'll go into the 3:30 hour. We'll just see what happens. So, anyway, y'all, Wacky Weatherman, May 15th. Who knows? We'll just see what happens. And so that's it. Yeah, man, that's it. Nothing else. Nothing else to show. Yeah, there's still a little bit of blue sky right there. But it's getting here. Anyway, folks, Wacky Weatherman, I'll see y'all here in about an hour. So we'll come back out here. We'll give it a little bit. So, Wacky Weatherman, y'all be groovy. And I'll see y'all here in about an hour, which will be about a second on your end. All right, y'all. No storms yet. Okay? Groovy. All right, y'all, Wacky Weatherman. Been hearing a little bit of booming, a little bit of some rumbling around back in there. This is about 3:32ish. Okay, so about an hour, like I told you. And looks like we're getting a more developed situation as we speak. So, we'll go down. And I have my monopod, and I have it in my cradle. So now, I'll be able to let y'all be able to see what the heck is happening. Burn. So, well, like I said, we're not going to be out here very long. I just want to just come out here and let y'all see it, because right now it's let's see if I can make this a little darker. There we are. So that's not doing anything right now. There's no reason to come out here. We can save that for the big stuff tonight when we come out here. So, but anyway, man, y'all just, we're just watching this together for a couple minutes. I'm just gonna go walking. But then okay, there's something else. They're awesome, huh? That's just the jet going over. But right now, see, it's not doing anything right just yet. Maybe I was hoping maybe we could hear a little clap of thunder or something. Because like I said, we was fixing to go walking, and we heard a little bit of thunder. It's like, don't want to get caught in that. So I don't want to get halfway over there, and then not have an umbrella and then it start pouring down rain. That wouldn't be, that wouldn't be good, right? Sure wouldn't, Gerald. But take a look back. Yep, nothing yet. So, Yeah, man, I can zoom extremely far away. That's one thing with this phone. This 10 Plus, man, I can go as far as you want. As far as you can imagine. Love that ultra wide angle lens. And the iPhone 13 right here. There it is. There's the iPhone 13 right there. So, actually a smaller screen and easier to hold in my hand. So, like I smell the rain a little bit. But anyway, folks, we're going to go ahead and get off of here, and I'll turn it back on here in a little while. But you guys just, just be groovy, and we'll just we'll see what happens. And as we go along, groovy, huh? Of course it is. So this is May 15th, 2022. Wacky Weatherman. I'll see y'all in the next segment. We'll come back out here in about the 4 o'clock hour, and I'll be seeing y'all then. So you all be groovy, like, share, subscribe, comment, do all that stuff, and I'll turn it back on here in a little bit. So not really anything going on right now, so like we usually do, we'll go up. And that's something, huh? So yeah, that's something. So, all right, y'all be groovy. We'll turn it back on here in about an hour. All right, y'all, listen to this. Still in the 3 p.m. hour, but there's some awesome thunder. Just a couple minutes right after I came inside. Here's the time. Do what?
If they went to condo, I don't think they're going to have the same problems they used to.
Probably not. But expensive, huh? Yep. Real expensive there. But yeah, it's 3:44, so almost 4 o'clock. But did y'all hear the thunder? And you get to hear just a little snip. So there's no need of going down there. I just wanted to let y'all hear this real quick. Just let y'all hear this real quick before, yeah. I turned the screen brightness down a little bit too, so. So, yep, that's about it. Oh yeah, you can hear it. Thought I felt a little sprinkle there, y'all. Yep, you heard it. They say the 5G is messing up the bees, which direction they're going. Got him. So we'll go down there for a minute. We'll go down there and we'll just see. Nope, not yet, y'all. So, anyway, I wanted y'all to hear this thunder while it was there. So, not yet. But it's pretty close. It's pretty cloudy right now. They got a lot of overcast. So it's pretty interesting. Nothing in it right now. So, yep, that's about it. That is about right. So, and I'm gonna go charge the phone up. The battery's like about 86%, somewhere in there. I want y'all to hear a good blast of thunder. I'm trying to wait for a big old nice blast of thunder. But who knows, when I turn the camera off, it'll do one pretty good. That's one of my favorite things is thunder in a storm. Because I mean, what's a storm without thunder, right? Oh. Some nice little rumbles of thunder right there, as y'all got to hear. That's right. Groovy, groovy, groovy. Come on, man. Groovy, groovy. Check it out. Like I said, y'all. So we're guaranteed another 100 videos. So I want to try to have 200 videos up by the end of this year. The end of this year right here. Hear the frogs? Back in there. Oh yeah, you can hear it, y'all. So you know what? I want to think that iPhone camera's got a much wider lens. Look through at that. Look through at that. I think it might have. What do y'all think? That's pretty There's the ultra wide angle lens on that thing. See? Yep, creepy, huh? Well, I mean, just look at the details of the sky. You really can't see that with the note. I mean, look at the clouds. You know? But anyway, that's what I think. That's what it looks like, but obviously that is a much smaller screen. But anyway, y'all, we're going to go back in. I'm not going to waste any more of y'all's time because it's not doing anything. It's just we had a little bit of thunder, and obviously that won't be our last glimpse of thunder at all. So, yeah, we need to go back. We need to go out front. We really haven't been out front that much in almost 3 years. But anyway, y'all, Wacky Weatherman, we'll turn it back on here in the 4 o'clock hour. Alrighty, folks, here it is. Got a, ooh yeah, there's a little bit of some lightning happening over, yeah, back in here. Oh yeah, there you go, folks. There's gonna be a little bit of wind in this. So there you go. And have a nice little storm here going to be happening here for us, y'all. Like about over there, over in that area. Oh, it's going to have a little bit of wind in it. So it's just been just a little bit. It's not been long. I mean, came out. Ooh. Get over here. Look at that. Oh man, oh man. Y'all can hear that wind. Like I said, I told you we was in the line of a severe thunderstorm watch. So, yep. Look at that cloud right there. James, my man, look at that cloud right there, boy. That's incredible. Now I'm gonna stay. I'm actually gonna stay right here. Y'all can hear that wind. It's actually getting a little cool. Yeah. I'm checking it out. Mostly like back in that area over there or whatever. Y'all can see. Ooh, a little windy, a little cool. We're gonna get over here. We're gonna get over here. You know, it's a little, at least it's a little warmer over here. But anyway, this is Wacky Weatherman right here, y'all. This is what it's about. Man, we get to finally see a storm. Look at that. God, that's amazing. Y'all can hear the, looks like you got a cloud back in that area. Y'all can see. Oh. Yeah, it's, ooh, yeah, be careful. Be careful with it, y'all. I'm gonna watch this sucker. I'll watch it from right here. Man, oh, you can hear that wind, folks. Okay. You can hear the wind coming back from that area. Like I said, this is This is what we've been watching and anticipating for. This right here. When I started this Wacky Weatherman thing, the wind's actually picking up pretty good, boy. This is awesome. My man Jumpin' James gonna love this. Ooh. But I mean, we're right here. We're not. Bring that. Wedge that in between there. There we go. But see, if you're up against the thing like that, it'll. Ooh. Oh Lord, folks, look at that. As of right now, let's listen to this wind. James, my man, listen to this wind, boy. It's awesome. Get it, baby. Nah, right now as of yet. Y'all can hear that. Just listen to that wind. Like it's starting to get a little more serious here, y'all. This is going to be our storm spot right here from now on. Storm corner right here. Ooh. Man, I've got great audio right here. God, I got great audio. That's just amazing. That's just all great audio. That's fantastic audio. Let's see if there's anything over in here. Wind's picking up over there, but we're good right here. Get over this. Get over here. It's more like a windstorm. You know, it's more like a windstorm, if you will. Y'all can hear it. All right. Well, as of right now, y'all, it's we're watching some incredible storm here happening. Kind of raining. It looks like it's going to start pouring. Looks like it's going to start coming down raining right now. But like I said, mostly it's just mostly wind. Here comes another gust. Comes another blow up. Oh, Lord. Comes another spin up. That wind is coming from over there too. Oh, there's some cold wind. Man, this is great, isn't it? Just hearing that, listening to that wind, y'all. Oh, there's some more thunder. Ooh, there's some pretty good wind right there now. Alright, well, as of right now, it's calmed down a little bit. So now I can come over here and check it out and see what it's doing over here. Yep, it's getting cold and wet. Here we go, we're going to get ready for another spin up. Here it comes. Check that out, y'all. Like I said, this is what we've been waiting for. We've been waiting for this. And like I said, this right here is going to be our storm corner right over here. Because, I mean, there's no, I can hear the wind, but it's not around us. Got good audio. This is good audio right here. Anyway, y'all, Wacky weatherman. It's not very often you get to see, get to hear a windstorm. That's about what this is. There comes some thunder. Looks like it's about all of it right now. Make sure it's good over here on this side. Oh, we'll go back over there. Not yet, but we're getting close. I think it might be all of it, y'all. I think it might have calmed down a little bit. I think, maybe. Get over here in our little cubby hole. Over here in our little storm shelter over here. And that's it. That is it. Wacky weatherman. It looks like it's starting to rain a little bit. But anyway, y'all, we'll turn this back on here in a little bit, and I'll see y'all here shortly. It's just wind right now, but we've already seen that. I want to go in and we'll continue on. So Wacky weatherman, May 15th, 2022. We've saw quite a bit of it, and I'm gonna go ahead and go on it back up in here, and that's it. So that was pretty fun. So we'll give it about an hour and we'll come back out here then. So we'll just see what's happening. It's just basically what it's been doing for the past several minutes since we came out. All right, y'all. Turn it back on here about an hour or so. Well, folks, Wacky weatherman, welcome back. So I think everything's over with. Storm. Apparently, I guess everything's moved out of the area. But we had a nice windstorm, so that means we're going to go ahead and end it. And I will get this thing uploaded. And if we see anything tonight, we'll come back and we'll do another nighttime video tonight. somewhere in there here in a little bit, and we'll just see what it's doing. Yeah. Yeah, we'll come back in a little while. We'll take about another hour. So it's about 6:03. We'll come back about 7, almost 7:30. But anyway, y'all, Wacky Weatherman, thanks for all for watching. And we'll turn it back on here in about an hour, a little over an hour, about 7:30 or somewhere in there, where it starts getting dark pretty good. And I will see y'all then. So you guys be groovy. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Wacky Weatherman. Yep, it's going. We actually had a nice storm. Very pleased, very pleased with it. So anyway, well, right now we'll just turn it back on about 7:30. So we'll go back up. That's it. So and out that way. We really need to go back. We need to really go out front more often. So, all right, y'all. Wacky Weatherman will turn on here in about a little over an hour, all right? Hey, y'all, Wacky Weatherman. What is happening with you people? We're going to get ready to go outside here, and we're going to take a look around. It is, actually, it's about almost 8 o'clock. About 8 o'clock or so p.m. So just don't mind me that I'm getting some stuff on. So, let's take a look. Oh, it's actually not too bad. Actually cooled off a little bit, huh? Actually, dang sure did. Let's take it up just a little bit. There we go. It's actually not bad outside, y'all. Come on. We'll take a little walk around. Look at this. There's your sunset. Check it out, boy. Man, that's a pretty sunset. I'll tell you what, y'all, it was a good day. We had a nice windstorm, and it was groovy. We had a nice windstorm out today. And now we got a nice sunset. God's paintbrush. So that's what we'll call it. Yep. God's paintbrush is what that is. Anyway, I think she missed a little bit more here. She missed a few. But it is a nice day outside. Nice evening. I'll tell you what, we're gonna walk. Let's go walk around. Yeah, what the heck? Let's go around the other way. We don't get to go around the other way. We'll change it up a little bit. Oh man. So I'm gonna close this, and I'll go in there and upload this right now. I'll go in there and upload it, boy. Go in there and upload it. Yep, it's pretty out back through here, huh? So I need to pick that roofing stuff up. But anyway, here's what it looks like. Okay, got it pretty red. It's pretty red, isn't it? Oh yeah, when we go to Birmingham next. Oh yeah, that's right. I got to tell you about the big trip that we're going to be going to. Is Birmingham next month. Because he's going up there. We're going up there to start our treatments on NF1. So it's neurofibromatosis, which is kind of like, you know, getting bumps on you and stuff, and then they could turn cancerous and stuff. So it was genetically when she was little. So, but we're going to go down there and everything. Get off me, stupid bug. And that's gonna be groovy. So can't wait to let y'all check it out. We're gonna go in there and tune in the machine, And then the little red express. Okay, so just a pretty set of wheels. But anyway, y'all, let us go up through here. And that's what we're going to be doing. So what the heck? There's the air. It's actually pretty nice out here, but feel some warm air. That sucker just spinning up a storm. Anyway, y'all, Wacky Weatherman here. That's all. He just kicked off. It's actually not bad out here right now at all. Y'all can hear the froggies. Yeah, it's real pretty. It's still, I don't know, man. It's still a good camera, huh? I'll have to come out here and test it out with that. Between that and the iPhone 13, I really have to. I have to put these head to head up against each other. Let me tell you something. But no, it's no contest with the. I mean, this is the bigger screen, but the iPhone 13. I mean, it's crazy. That's incredible. So, but hey, we're gonna end it. There's no more storms. So, hey, man, I want to thank y'all for hanging out here with us today. And oh, what the heck? Let's go back around one more time, and then we'll end it we'll bring this to a close, and I'll go in there. I'll go in there and upload the video. So, yep. We'll just go in there and we'll upload the video. So why not? Yep. Yes, sir. Go in there and upload that sucker. But yeah, man, it's all groovy. Groovy stuff. Groovy stuff. So yeah, we'll go up, we'll go back in, and we'll end it today. There's nothing else to show. Nothing else to see here. So, can't see yourself. Oh, yeah. Groovy stuff, man. So, yep. Summertime is almost upon us. Then we'll take one more look around over here. Here's where we'll go here in just a minute. But June 1st will mark our 100 days of Wacky Weatherman summer. So here we go. It's actually going to be pretty nice out. It's going to be a nice evening. Anyway, so you guys, man, thanks again for hanging out here with us today. We got to see a nice windy storm. Very well pleased with this video. This will be one of the great videos. So, May 15th, 2022, Wacky Weatherman. And of course, we'll do it all again tomorrow. We will do this again tomorrow, and we'll just see what happens. And we'll come up and do it. This will be interesting. All right, y'all. Wacky Weatherman, May 15th, 2022. Wacky Weatherman. Yep. Almost 3 years of doing this junk, which is good junk. Listen to them frogs. I'll let y'all hear some ambient noises here for a minute. That is getting to the sound of summer. So, all right, y'all. Wacky Weatherman, May 15th, 2022. Y'all be groovy, man. And I'm gonna go upload this sucker right now. Well, I I gotta merge the videos together, and then I'll upload it. All right, y'all. Y'all be groovy. And that's it. So that's it. All right, y'all. Awesome storm today. Groovy.